Hi, and welcome to today's video. Before we dive into it, I want to tell you something very special about Verified, my very own clean, high-performance, made in India beauty brand. Our entire range has a Black Friday sale going on the 26th of November. Make sure you catch it because we have not one but two offers going on. With one offer, we're giving away a free heart-shaped pouch and gift box with every order worth 1999 or more, and with the other one, our lipsticks come down to being $6.99 instead of $8.99 if you buy a set of 10. Make sure you go over to the website and check it out. I'm leaving a link for you down below. Hello, good morning. I woke up and chilled in bed a little bit, lazed in bed a little bit. Yesterday was a little bit hectic, but I have a feeling today is going to be even more hectic. And to top it off, actually Divyesh wasn't feeling very well yesterday. He was getting a lot of strain on his eyes from the laptop and stuff, so today he's going to come a little bit late, which is fine. I'm glad he's going for the checkup. So we'll start shoot a little bit late, but I have a very exciting dance class to go for this evening, which I'm really kicked about. I'm hoping that we manage to finish shooting everything that we need to before I have my dance class at 8 p.m. And there's a lot to do today, right? Hi Sheikh.
Hello.
Hi. There's a lot to do today, right?
Yeah, we have to do a lot of
Like we had to move two things to today from yesterday. So there's a lot to like catch up on and stuff like that. I woke up, took a shower and all of that, and the first thing I did as soon as I sat on the table was sat down to write a couple of these PR notes. We've been sending out so much PR to everyone from Verified right since like launch and since we started, and mostly everybody has been so lovely and supportive of all the PR we've sent out. We have these three that need to go out. Jerry is, I think, in the shower or something, and when he leaves for work I need to give these to him so that he can dispatch those boxes. That's my sitch at the moment. What am I doing later this week? I'm filming a bunch of things. We have a huge shoot happening tomorrow. Hey, do you want to start with fittings for that shoot? We have to wake up. Literally, we have to be in town by 6 a.m. for this shoot tomorrow. You guys remember when I went to Nasik? Have you seen that birthday vlog of mine? If you haven't, I will leave a link in. Don't go start watching it now. Watch it after this. I'll leave a link over here for you, but make sure you watch it after this. Like, open it in a separate like window or something and keep it. But that in that vlog you'll see a lot of the drone footage and stuff. Wahan pe it was Nandini's boyfriend who was with us, who had kind of got his, he's a photographer, he's a really good photographer. He had taken some really sick pictures of all of us on that trip. Well, now he's Nandini's husband, and we're doing a shoot with him tomorrow and going to a few like iconic Bombay places, kind of a shoot, and I'm really looking forward to that. But we need to finish fittings for that like ASAP now, because we've got a few outfits in and I want to make sure that they fit me just right. So that will happen tomorrow morning. And tonight I have dance class, which I'm so excited for. I'll tell you guys about that later. For now, I've got my black coffee over here. Yes, I have not had tea in, I want to say I haven't had tea in about 2 weeks-ish.
Oh, no.
I think it's 2 weeks-ish. And basically I haven't had tea in forever at this point. And I've completely switched over to black coffee. No milk, no sugar. And I'm okay with it. I think it's working for me. I'm also back on intermittent fasting, so it is definitely working for me. I get incredibly hungry by the time it is 1 p.m. because I start eating at 1 p.m. But it's okay. It's all worth it. And I pounce on my food at 1 p.m. when I get it. Yeah, gonna stop like blabbering and get into work. Hello, I don't know if you remember this, but did I mention in a vlog, I have this weird, I don't know if it's called a back spasm. There are all of these words that I've heard people use, and I'm now discovering what they mean. Like acidity I discovered last month. I'm feeling like, what is this pain? Is this what a migraine feels like? Now I have this very bad pain on my back. वो जो back की हड्डी होती है ना, what are these called? The little back mountains. Hi Nikita.
Hi.
What are they called, these back mountains? Like back
Vertebra.
No, these two thingies that come out at the back, peat pe. You understand what I mean? Those coney nahi, but it's like a coney on the back, right? Those two, what are these called? These back mountain haddis.
Back mountain haddis.
What are they called? You know what I'm talking about. Just below my left one is hurting Like there's a muscle pain since so many days. No matter how I sit, how I sleep, whatever I'm doing, there's like this pain coming. By the way, I'm wearing clothes inside this robe. Huh? It's not like I'm walking around in a robe in my house. We were just shooting for a skincare thing. Imagine people will see and think कि bathrobe में घूमती है अपने घर में. No guys, like I don't like walk around naked in front of my team. That's not my style. I'm wearing clothes inside. Can you see like my black skirt? Yeah. Okay. So I'm wearing clothes inside. It's just that we were shooting for a skincare video, and there's this pain in my back that will not leave me, and I have to go for that really fun Bollywood dance class today. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. My left hand is hurting. Basically, मैं अपना left hand लाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, तो वो थोड़ा सा like pain हो रहा है.
Once the Bollywood songs start, you start moving directly. I've been singing so much in my YouTube videos. I need to stop. What just came? I wanted to show them that. कहाँ पे रखा? This courier just came from Mridul, and I'm really kicked about it because literally while I'm wearing it, this is Simba. This is a Simba tank top, okay? And look at what arrives in the courier just now. I think they've launched new hoodies because there is a black and white hoodie that they've sent to me in size L, the tag of which Anam just ripped out. This is what it looks like, and dude, their fabrics are so nice and soft. Like this time it's black and white. I don't think I have anything black and white in tie-dye from Simba. So Mridul, in case you're watching this, thank you very much. I have a feeling I'm going to live in this also now. Literally, I was saying while I've received a Simba package, I'm wearing a Simba tank. Like, do you see the tie-dye-ness in my life in general, and then Simba has only added to it. Another package that has come that I'm really excited about is this one over here. It is the IKEA table. I'm not pointing at this package. Oh no! I'm pointing at this package. This is from IKEA. You guys, I ordered this table from IKEA, and I'm so excited because I don't have any IKEA like furniture as such. Decor items and all जो pick up किए हुए हैं वो तो है ही. But अभी बैठ के assemble भी करना पड़ेगा ना उस वीडियो के लिए, because now I need something for a makeup video I need to film now. So yeah, time to assemble it and use it, which I'm also very excited about, but also not looking forward to the assembling part of it. But let's be real, I'm also really useless in the assembling part of it, so it's gonna land up being either Jerry or Divyesh. So I will be their little helper. कर ही लेंगे. The last का touch. There's some IKEA magic happening over here with Divyesh. But हम ये चिपकाएंगे कैसे?
इसका screw रहेगा ना.
Nibbles is here for inspection. Friends, hello, update. We have realized that this will take कितना time? 2 घंटा. हाँ?
Yeah, 2 hours.
At least 2 hours will go in this, so we have decided not to assemble the table, and I will do jugaad. We're doing my makeup for the next reel, khade khade or something, like we'll figure something out. ये हम Jerry के ऊपर हम थोड़ा सा bomb फोड़ेंगे, and I will be his little elf. But we cannot spend 2 hours in the middle of a work day to assemble a table. It's not practical. Hello. Oh my god, this day has been a little bit never ending because there was some shoots that were supposed to happen today that actually did not land up happening, but instead I landed up doing fittings and stuff and a few other errands through the day. कल सुबह हम शूट करने वाले हैं, and हम बोधी के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं, जैसे मैंने पहले आज ही बताया आप लोगों को. नंदिनी के हस्बैंड के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं. He's an amazing photographer and I'm personally really excited for it. पर वो शूट सुबह के 5 बजे शुरू हो रही है, यानी मुझे 3:30-4 बजे तक का उठना है, which I'm obviously not feeling very excited for. But what am I on my way for right now? I am on my way for Bollywood dance class. Naima is literally calling me right now, but I'm not answering the call because I am driving and I don't want to handicap drive. I have not hooked up my phone to the car, so I should do that really quickly right away. And I'm on my way to a Bollywood dance class. I'm really excited, but I'm also a little bit annoyed that my back is still giving me a little bit of pain.
I need to go to a doctor if this gets worse. I'm gonna try to do like an ice pack situation tonight and see how that goes. Otherwise, this weekend I need to find time and go to a doctor. Malu messaged me. Malu is Naima. Her nickname is Maliha, which is Malu. Malu messaged me today saying, what song do you want to do the dance class on and stuff? And I was like, let's do something, you know, 90s and early 2000s. Nothing raunchy, please, because Malu loves her raunchy numbers. Okay, that's just a cold hard fact. And as much as those kind of tracks are like fun, I'm more into the classic old school or like, you know, just fun dance numbers, not necessarily raunchy dance numbers. Hello, I don't think you can tell right now, but I have the most insane post-workout glow happening on my face at the moment. I am so happy I went for this class. I think I mentioned the Bollywood dance class to you in the previous vlog while telling Aditi about it. And dude, if I can, I'm gonna come here for each and every class. Like, they do Bollywood dance class twice a week, and I feel like if I could commit to getting done with work by 7:30 every Tuesdays and Thursdays, I would 100% surely come here, because Kiran, who is like the dance instructor, was so good. He was so good with even like teaching steps, and he just seemed to have such a pleasing personality. Like, you know, sometimes some dance teachers or some teachers in general, I feel are very rigid about the way they teach. But for someone I literally just met for the first time and did a first dance class with, I feel like this vibe was so chill. I'm definitely gonna take out, you know, some footage from here and cut it into like a reel and post it on Insta on Shorts or something like that. So maybe you've seen some of the clips from today's dance class already. But I'm so glad I did this. And listen, for me, I find I'm one of those people that, you know, just the way I tell you, I find like playing with makeup therapeutic and stuff. I also find dancing so therapeutic. And I used to dance all the time in like even at home. Forget about like school performances and college performances and stuff. Like just at home every night, I used to do my own cardio in my room. I would blast some music in my own space and, you know, listen to something and dance my ass off. And when my mom would hear music from my room, she would be like, "Haan, wo khud rahe ke naach rahi hai." Like, she knew what I was doing. And man, I miss that stuff. I really do. And every time I go back to like the idea of a dance, like even if it was a Sangeet rehearsal, I just feel so rejuvenated. And when I see a step, okay, now I might sound completely weird with what I'm about to say. Like if I'm about to do like a step, yeah, if I see a step that looks slightly complicated, in my brain it's like, look at this like a math problem. And I enjoyed math all my school life, right? Like take it up as a challenge and solve it. And I would enjoy so much. Genuinely, I would enjoy so much. So yeah, this was a great bloody workout. If I manage to go to the gym thrice a week and do this Bollywood dance class twice a week, that is my ideal combination of things. Just putting it out there. So far, I have been wanting to make myself more accountable with my fitness goals, and I haven't really done a great job of it, if I'm being honest. But I need to start. Like I'm starting to pull my shit together. I'm starting to pull my socks up. Signal तोड़ के जा रहा है यार. ऐसे कैसे? Like guys, observe road rules. It's insane. Like biker laughing while making me stop and with his friend on the bike. I'm like like they made me stop. Are you crazy? जान की बात होती है यार ये सब. It's not fun. Almost home. Also another add-on point about this dance class is that literally it is 2 minutes. I started talking to you guys as soon as like I just started the car and I'm home. So that's another huge plus point of this particular dance class. So let's see. Okay, so So it is, what's the time? What's the time, yaar? It's 2:45. We got done with shoot at around 10 a.m. Went to Shiv Sagar near Churchgate Station and had some breakfast with the team as well as Bodhi. Came home, got a chunk of admin work done. I had a meeting this afternoon in Andheri, but a few other things came up urgently and I thought they would go on for much longer. In any way, अच्छा ही हो गया because वो meeting अभी Monday को push हो गया है Zoom के लिए, तो मुझे जाना नहीं पड़ेगा अंधेरी तक. But what's happening right now is that like basically Sheikh and Devesh left a while back, way like at 12:31 because obviously they had been here since 5 a.m. I was like, please go home. Sheikh को तो I literally had to be like, जाओ घर पे जाओ सो जाओ. Nikita came during normal work hours, so she's outside working, but I've told her also to go home because सबकी बैटरी आज काफ़ी डाउन है and today is a relatively chillish slowish day also, because of which, see that Sara का message only, because of which I messaged Sara. I was supposed to meet her tomorrow. She needed some help with her secret project that's going on, which obviously I'm not going to be the one to tell you about first, and I was supposed to meet her tomorrow, but I asked her if she was free today since today थोड़ा सा chill day चल रहा है and I know I can help her बैठे बैठे उसको कुछ stuff दिखाना है, so वो हो जाएगा then. So she's gonna come home this evening. I did not do intermittent fasting today because I landed up eating it around 10:30. So my salad is here. Ram has made such a good salad. I actually had this for dinner last night also. It's basically cucumbers, sprouts, anar, beetroot, kothmir in a really nice dressing. I'm salivating while looking at the salad. It's sitting here over here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And yeah, I'm just going to have that, watch something on TV. I'm laying low, laying easy. I'm wearing a t-shirt of Jerry's from like God knows when, forever ago. And that's what's happening right now. Okay, I know it's not looking that great right now. There's like a salad bowl over here, the dressing bowl, which I don't want to take out because it's got stuff stuck to it also now. But I promise you, it is so delicious. Hello and welcome to another series of Unflattering Angles with Hannah. Guys, I went off to sleep. Legit, like I went off to sleep. I napped for maybe an hour-ish. Maybe just less than an hour also. I'm not exactly sure. But I was resting and I was doing emails on phone and aankh lag gayi. I woke up a while ago also. I had some chicken mayo sandwich that Ram makes at home. Like we just put it in the bread like abhi khane ke time pe. But the mishran is made by Ram. I told you guys Sara is coming home today, so I know she should be here soon. But because I went to sleep, I want to brush my teeth just because like sometimes, you know, nap odor can also be really, really bad. My skin has been behaving itself, but I feel like pampering it with a little mask or something, so I'm gonna dig something out. I want to try out something new. Yeah, I feel so much better after brushing. I was looking at my masks just now while like brushing and I'm trying to figure out what I want to use. I have this new one that I received in PR and I received 3 of them and I can't completely tell the difference. I have 2 over here in my bathroom and one I kept aside. This is the coconut milk gel mask. It's from Pixie. It's the Milky Remedy mask. And I also have the rose one for this. And I know that there is a 3rd variety, but I think under wale cupboard mein hai. I want to do something for my skin. We're doing something for my hair tomorrow morning. By the way, today I thought of so many really cool ideas. I love how there's like a little spoon, like there's literally a chammach. This is very simplifying my life kind of packaging. Today I thought of some really cool new ideas for videos to do on during Vlogmas, which I'm really kicked about. Acha, lekin iska karte kya hai? Like I was supposed to just leave it or apply it and then wash it off. Thick layer, clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. I usually just like to leave masks on. I mean, not like a sheet mask, but unless it's like a, let's see. I like to just let my skin hydrate all night. This is why I like those really like thick, you know, water or sleeping mask type of things. You guys know I love Laneige as a brand. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Nice fragrance.
Nice fragrance. I completely nerd out whenever I'm using like a new product. I become like, ooh, fragrance, texture is really nice. Oh man, the texture is so nice, feels so soft. I know this camera angle is like genuinely unflattering, and I know I make fun of it by saying unflattering camera angles and all of that, but what I've added to my Amazon cart today is a really cool stand that I spotted that is going to help me vlog and keep the camera at a good height like every single time, because फिलहाल का मेरा जो चिंटू वाला tripod है तो बहुत ही छोटा होता है, so it's not always at eye level, case in point. But can I tell you something? Wait, let me like be super weird and sit on the pot and use the screen as a mirror, because I feel like I need to tell you something, and this is like going into confessional zone because I know I'm going a little bit crazy. I have placed 4 Myntra orders in the last 10 days, 2 weeks, I'm not sure, literally 4. My first order was around 12,000 rupees. My second order was around that much as well. My third order was... No, I placed 3 orders, and I placed 1 order today, which was around 4,000 rupees. Oh my god. The thing is, so I was anyway planning to shop, like do one of those yearly quota thingies that I do, and मुझे लगा कि मैं आपके साथ ना एक ऐसा वाला वीडियो शेयर करूंगी जहाँ पे I try things on and हम साथ में डिसाइड करें कि क्या रखना है, क्या वापस भेजना है. और मुझे genuinely लगा कि अरे ये तो पूरा का पूरा लॉट रह जाने वाला है. There's going to be no returns. But a couple of things I was not happy with the fit. I didn't mean to try it on, like because I wanted to do that in a video format. But I realized that I had shopped so much by the end of it that video would never end. Also, I realized some of the pieces in that I really liked and I thought I was going to wear for an event or something. लेकिन उनकी fits मुझे उतनी पसंद नहीं आई. So I said, you know what, सारी की सारी try कर लेती हूँ, देखती हूँ कि मैं क्या रख रही हूँ और क्या वापस दे रही हूँ. और जो मैं वीडियो करने वाली हूँ, जो आप जल्दी देखोगे, which is like a huge Myntra haul, उसमें मैं आपको सिर्फ फाइनल वाले दिखाऊंगी instead of just taking you through each and everything non-stop. Reason being, this way you get to see what the really good stuff is also, instead of wasting your time and making you live in suspense of what is she going to keep and what is she going to give back kind of a situation. And मेरे लिए भी काम थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाता है because मैंने काफ़ी सामान मंगाया हुआ है. What I think I'll also do in that video, now as I'm speaking I'm realizing what I'll also do in that video is I'll do a little call out to the products that I did order and give back also, so that you have that information at hand and you know exactly why I gave what back. You know, like suppose one of the tops for example was really nice, even the fit was really nice, but it made me really conscious about my boobs, so I decided to return that. So those kind of things. So yeah, I need to film that really soon also. Vlogmas का बहुत सारा content film हो रहा है. आज का shoot बहुत अच्छा था, सुबह मुझे गया. I'm really looking forward to all of the Instagram content that is going to come out of that. It looks like my skin has like a condition, but it's just a super thick layer of the mask. Considering it's basically transparent, like यहाँ पे white लग रहा है, but when you pull it out and apply it, obviously like you can see it's like transparent. I really like the texture. It's not tingling, it's nothing. It's actually feeling really nice and cooling on the skin, which I like. My hair was sweating so much during the shoot today that even though I know I'm up to a new, you know, hair wash regime and everything, I booked an appointment with the salon tomorrow, so we're gonna go there. You're gonna come hang out with me hopefully, and I just really want to. I also, by the way, need to get my like क्या बोलते हैं, my extensions washed and blow dried because I want to wear them for a couple of videos in the middle. So that is also going to happen. I'm one of those people जो like sheet mask में भी जो आखिर के products थोड़ा सा end का product मिलता है ना, मैं उसको भी लेके अपने चेहरे पे, अपने knees पे, अपने neck पे, कहीं ना कहीं elbows पे डाल ही देती हूँ. I have so much filming to do tomorrow, guys. I can't decide whether I'm nervous, scared, intimidated, excited. Oh god, this spoon needs to... How do I get this spoon to go back in? How do I get this spoon to go back in? I am going to try and do this. Ah, okay, so it slipped in really easily. The way I had pulled it out, push करके वैसे ही अंदर डालना है. In case you get your hands on this, I'll find it online and link it in and all of that. I'm going to leave this on my skin for a while. How funny is it going to be if Sarah comes while I have my mask on? I think that's fine. I think she must be doing the same thing at the end of the day. all of us beauty bloggers try things on days off or semi-off or whatever. But I do have some work to do on my laptop, admin-wise. So I am gonna take some time and do that now before she comes. Hello, just finished doing some admin work over the last 10-15 minutes. I think I'll just go quickly wash my face and see what my skin feels like and looks like after. The cooling sensation is still there very much. There's dahi chawal that I'm having today. Ram has made it the way Jerry likes, which is like South Indian style. It's a very specific thing to how Jerry likes his dahi chawal. I am just gonna quickly go wash my face and come back in a second. My skin is feeling so nice and soft. I wish you guys could literally feel my skin right now. This was good. This is something I could do like every day. It was really nice. Gonna use it again. Namaste. I'm back. And so is Sarah. We've been sitting together for the past, I think, 3 hours at this point, working, doing shit, working on her secret project stuff, going a little bit nuts in a sense that I think it's exciting, and I think I'm taking it a little bit more chill because I've just been
अब
there.
खुद का हो गया है ना, तो now she's very chill. She's like, oh, baby, this will happen
I'm like,
only.
हो जाएगा, stress मत लो. Now I'm feeling a little bit more chill, like हाँ, अब मैं ये दर्द और excitement और
It's like, you know,
frustration
when I'm-
समझ सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
But
When I'm upset, also I go on video or like socials to vent. Herein I can't vent also because I'm like, क्या समझेगी जनता? जनता कुछ मालूम ही नहीं है.
I've uploaded a video on my Insta, which I don't think I've posted on YouTube, of me like literally crying from one of
Awesome.
the. So I fully understand. I'm really excited for what she's working on because I know she's been working on it for quite a while. I have an in on it, obviously, and I cannot wait for you guys to know. But one of the other things we're also planning, by the way, is a collab, which we will be putting up in like the Vlogmas series.
Content ideas, guys. Comments कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा है मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी.
मुझे लाइफ में ऐसे हो गया है कि अब हर कोई एक आइडिया लिख के रख दिया है मैंने. हम लोग ब्लॉगमिस में सब यूज करेंगे.
And then after that,
Vlogmas
January
के-
will be again.
It will be a खाली डब्बा.
Yeah.
It's around 12:30. Sarah left a while ago, and I was preparing to sleep. Jerry, he doesn't want to be in the vlog right now, so I'm not going to point the camera in that direction. Oh, really? Now you're doing that? Like you're doing pap things? Like I'm papping you? Okay, I moved the cam, Baba. I may or may not have given in to a midnight ice cream craving. I was really craving some. I've been a bad girl. I have this thing with Bavarian chocolate ice creams in a waffle cone from Baskin and Robbins. Oh god, the minute that craving sets into my head, it's like I cannot think of anything else. It's really bad. It's so good that it's bad. You know what I mean? Yeah, I need to sleep soon because I'm literally operating on 3 hours of sleep from last night. And I have an 11:30 appointment at the salon tomorrow. Okay, bye. My ice cream is here. It's a Bavarian chocolate double scoop in a waffle cone. Just the way I like it. Getting a hair wash at the salon for the first time since the pandemic and everything feels so relaxing right now. And I have to get a blow dry and get prepped for the shoot day today. Okay, I'm back home. I couldn't show you my hair like properly from the salon. I love how, you know, now that I'm putting my extensions that have like a color on them, I feel like my natural color is something I'm enjoying more. So not all that kicked about it. I can't believe my entire hair was like this color. Like how quickly preferences change. But it's looking so nice and thick that I really love it. I got this done extra tight. Anu suggested that I do the curls extra tight. I don't actually want them this tight, but she said do it because वो खुल जाएंगे over the next couple of days, and you don't wash your extensions as often as you wash your hair, I'm assuming. I'm back home. Sheikh is over here helping me prep for the next shoot. Ram is still in the kitchen even though it's like 1 o'clock, and we're about to have, I need to open like my intermittent fasting because I haven't eaten anything since morning. And Mr. Divyesh, the star of the day, look at what he's done. He's gone ahead and assembled the entire IKEA table.
Listen, he's done a really good job. Huh? कितना टाइम लगा दिव्येश? कितना टाइम लगा ये करने में? I needed like something 35-40 minutes, not bad. I needed something to sit and film, and I was really inconvenient while standing filming and all for a couple of other things because वो वाला table तो टूट गया ना now, and there's so much pasara over here. I'm so happy with this. I'm glad we did IKEA. You know that Amazon was just, it did not work out. It absolutely just did not work out. This feels sturdier as well. I like how there's this little wire thingy over here which is going to be really helpful for when I film. I'm about to film something with sugar, that's why you're seeing a lot of sugar products over here. And yeah, going to go quickly grab a bite. I really would like to, and this is a would like to, finish filming today by 7:30 so that I might be able to make it a dance class by 8. Gonna keep my fingers crossed that we can actually do that. वो नहीं हुआ तो मेरा डांस क्लास आज नहीं होगा. Can you hear that? A second ago, I think Divyesh was trying to take Sheikh's kiss, but now I don't know what's happening. अपने को लगा था शेख बहुत सीधी है ना जब आया किया था, ये सबसे टेढ़ी निकली. What do you have to say for yourself? She's not saying sorry. She's like मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. And Nikita, what are you?
I'm still figuring out.
I'm trying to get back on IF today. It is 6:30 PM. हमने आज काफ़ी सारा शूट कर लिया, right? हमने 3 रील्स शूट किए, हमने एक YouTube वीडियो शूट किया, कुछ स्टैटिक स्टोरीज शूट किए, काफ़ी कुछ शूट हो गया आज. And it's 6:30. I ate my lunch at 1:15. So basis IF I can keep eating till 9:15. But today is Thursday and I want to go back for dance class. And that means I can keep eating till I have to leave by like 7:30, 7:45 for dance class. And it's 6:30 now. तो अब अगले 1 घंटे में मुझे अपना चेहरा जितना ठूसना है मैं ठूस सकती हूँ. But obviously उतना नहीं करूँगी. दोपहर का wrap is here once again with me that Ram made. I think he's made a really killer wrap today. He's made the garlic sauce and all everything घर पे. And it's healthy, it's high on protein, there's no carbs, something. So it's yummy. So I'm eating it. I don't completely understand the food breakdown of things. Definitely not like Ram does. So, but it's yummy, so I'm eating it. Okay, so kind of done with the day. There's some admin work going on, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys like the thing about these extensions that I'm wearing. I'm wearing these extensions that we added in at the parlor today. These are my extensions. Got them done during my hair accident last year. They're literally clips. So I'm literally, can you hear the tuck once? I can hear this. Did you hear that? It's like a little clip sound. Today when Anu was putting them in my hair, ouch, she was like, oh, these are really good clips. They're very sturdy. There you go. So they have my last hair color on them. They're not like exact match to my natural hair. But it's okay. It looks like I have highlights or something when I wear them. I don't want to get them colored again just for a while till my hair grows out a little bit more. Maybe I'll color my hair again. Maybe I won't. Blonde to bleach to मैं कभी नहीं करी life में after what happened. But just keeping a little room for movement just in case. And they work with my hair right now. So this is what the clips look like on the inside. Super easy to wear and take out. Hello. Dance class was so much fun today. I've been having cold water for the past 2 days after getting rid of the habit of cold water, which I've had for many years, but I haven't had cold water in a few months now. Suddenly, because it's a little bit hot, I've gone back to cold water and I can feel a little soreness in my throat. Can you see this pimple over here? She's quite nasty. She's here. She's quite irritating if you ask me. She's pokey and she's itchy. Maybe it's a he, I don't know. I'm currently mad at my friend Omar because he ditched me and did not come for dance class today with me. And Cherry said I should name my pimple Omar because this one over here is called Janice, because every time I see her I go, oh my god.
Oh my god.
So he's like, oh, you should name this one after your friend Omar, after his friend Omar, after our friend Omar. Anyway, what I'm putting on it to get rid of it is this zero zit thing over here that I have, which is from Pixie. I've used this in the past and it's been pretty helpful. So I'm gonna go ahead, take just a touch of it. दिख रहा है? Focus में आ रहा है? हाँ. And I'm also gonna go ahead and leave some on this Janice mark over here. I feel like I should end this vlog here tonight because I know for sure I'm gonna start a new one tomorrow for the days to come. I just don't want the vlogs to become so long that you can't see them or won't see them, if you know what I mean. I really have started enjoying vlogging so much that I want to voluntarily vlog like every single day, not because I need to do 3 uploads a week, just because I'm genuinely enjoying sharing things with you. You guys have become like my dear diary moment of the day, if you know what I mean. The WearFam comment shout out for the day goes to It's a Small Wonder. Her name is Ira and I really appreciate your comment, Ira. I genuinely really enjoy reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of your comments. I may sound a little low in energy right now because it's been a busy and tough few days, but I promise you, you guys and your comments are the magic in my life that I need to keep myself going on so many days. I'm going to sit back, have a little green tea, put myself to sleep a little bit early and start tomorrow on a hopefully fun note. I have a lot of shoots to do tomorrow and I also have an event tomorrow, and the weekend looks a tad bit promising, not too promising, but I'm going out for something fun that I'm looking forward to. वो भी मैं vlog करूँगी, तो अगले vlog के लिए make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn those bell notifications on, because I know a lot of you switch on and off between being able to get alerts for my new uploads, and I think you are going to want to get those new uploads because Vlogmas is around the corner and I'm really prepping for it. See you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.